I really didn't know anything about IMSD when I first came to KU. I knew I wanted to get into some type of research as far as a lab. And so, I went to the job search for KU, and Jenny Gleason gave me a call back. And so when I had my interview, she was just like, "Have you heard of IMSD?" Just like, "No, haven't heard of it." So she recommended me, came down here, and I talked to Lynn, and she just gave me just the gist of what everything was, how it prepares you for graduate school to get your master's or PhD, how you get to work in any lab on campus as long as you can get in with the professor or the teacher. And so I think it took a while. I worked in Jenny Gleason's lab for a good 3 or 4 months before I actually got into the program. And then once I got into the program, I got to start my own project and just been from there. And that was about 2 years ago. We always have like monthly meetings. We try to check up on you, see how your research is going. I don't know. It's just, I really wasn't thinking about graduate school freshman, sophomore year. I was just still thinking about in the moment. And she really gives you more options of, okay, well, you need to prepare your GRE. You need to take this class that helps you prepare for research. It helps you prepare for graduate school. In that way, I think she's a big help, and so is the program, just to get you prepared for graduate school. Sometimes, like KU courses, especially in science, can be so challenging, and just to have that group to help you for people who've already taken the class, well, this is how you should study, this is how you should approach this test or anything, just to have those people behind you supporting you, helping you, even if they're in the same class, you can help each other. And I think just having a common place where everyone can come to try to get that help is very important. Jenny Gleason is my mentor. I went up there and she was just basically telling me how, because I work with the Drosophila, and so how they're model organisms for genetics. And I was like, genetics? I've never taken the class before. It sounds interesting. And all the research that she was telling me she was doing just sounded so like interesting to me. And she was really nice. That was another thing. Like I felt like I could go to her and I could talk to her. There was no dumb question with her. Like she's happy to help, and that's why I decided to pick Jenny's lab. Just having that open relationship to go and talk to her about anything. I think that's the most important aspect. And you have to have some type of comfort level with your mentor, because you don't want to be doing a project and like, okay, well, I really don't know what to do. I'm afraid to ask her. And so I think just having that open communication is such a ideal thing and great thing to have with a mentor.